going to be talking about the problems of ionic and covalent compound in the medical sector. For example, calcium carbonate is used in producing antacid pills. This medication is used to treat symptoms caused by too much stomach acid, such as heartburns or indigestion. It is the antacid pill that works by lowering the amount of acid in the stomach. To use the antacid pills, take this product by mouth as directed. For the chewable form, chew the medication well before swallowing. For the liquid form, shake the bottle well before consuming them. The first problem of this ionic compound is in terms of overdose. If someone has overdosed and has serious symptoms such as passing out or trouble in breathing, call the nearest hospital. Otherwise, call a poison control center right away. For example, the US residents can call their local poison control center at this number. Symptoms of overdose may include vomiting, loss of appetite, mental or mood changes, headache, and dizziness. The second problem is calcium carbonate may decrease the effectiveness of other medicine. The solutions are to follow the recommended dose and to not take calcium carbonate within 1 to 2 hours of taking other medicines. As for the covalent compound in the medical sector, we have aspirin. The problems of using an aspirin include stroke caused by burst blood vessel, gastrointestinal bleeding, and allergic reaction. The solutions to these problems are to seek medical attention. Your doctor will discuss what dose is right for you. Very low doses of aspirin such as 75 to 150 milligrams, but most commonly 81 milligrams, can be effective. Your doctor will usually prescribe a daily dose anywhere from 75 milligrams to 325 milligrams. Next, tell about your allergies, if present, to your doctors, and about past diseases you've had so that the doctors can help you to decide whether you should or shouldn't consume aspirins. Third, avoid overdrinking of alcohol, as alcohol can increase the risk of stomach bleeding. If possible, talk to your doctor about how much alcohol is safe to drink. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation.
Today, I am going to talk about the problems and solutions of ionic and covalent compounds in the industrial sector. For example, extraction of aluminium metal from aluminium oxide, which is an ionic compound, can cause harm to the environment and human health. It can cause air pollution with the high levels of dust and gas produced by the industries. This pollution can cause greenhouse gases to increase and global warming. It can also cause difficulties in breathing to humans and animals. Global warming can harm the aquatic creatures and crops due to the increasing of sea level and unpredictable weather. The solution is we need to reduce fossil fuels in industries by replacing them with renewable energy such as solar and windmill. This renewable energy will not harm the environment and human health. As for the covalent compound, in the industrial sector, we have benzoic acid that is used to preserve foods. As we know that foods preservation was made to prevent foods from spoiling and maintain the food's nutritional quality. However, this chemical preservative affected the human health. For example, it can cause cancer. The solutions are 1. We should use more natural preservative such as vinegar to make pickles. 2. We need to buy organic foods only by looking at the food's label before we buy them.
Today I will be talking about the problems of ionic and covalent compounds in agriculture. The first problem would be damage to plants. Chemical fertilizers are high in nutrient content such as nitrogen. Over-application of chemical fertilization to plants may cause the leaves to turn yellow and brown, damaging the plant and reducing crop yield. Chemical fertilization can also cause air pollution. Excess nitrogen used in crop fertilization can contribute to release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. We can solve this problem by taking erosion control measures to dramatically reduce phosphorus pollution and give the plant a balanced nutrition so that it will grow rapidly without the help of chemical fertilizers. Pesticides like insecticides and fungicides causes serious health implications to mankind because of the chemicals that they release. We can solve this problem by using non-toxic methods for controlling insects in our home garden and buying organic fruits and vegetables so we can avoid buying the ones that have been exposed to pesticides.
Ionic and covalent compound used in domestics. Sodium aluminate is commonly used in wastewater treatment plants to remove suspended solids, metals and dissolved silica. Sodium aluminate is used during cold weather to accelerate the solidification of concrete. When inhaled, it is extremely harmful to the human health. Conduct the activity in an enclosed area, use proper breathing protection, and contaminated clothes should be disposed correctly. Next is insecticides that contain hydrogen cyanide and naphthalene. Although it is used to targeted pests, it is also harmful to our lungs, skin, and eyes. It is to easily close open windows and open doors or any open entry that may lead any insects from coming in. That contains sodium hypochlorite is also harmful to the eyes, skin, and lungs, which can lead to unwanted rashes and migraines. Use chemicals sparingly and wear correct protection.